Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video, we are going to continue our fourth lesson because in the last video we have completed only few pages. So this video, we are continuing the pages of this lesson, okay? And then what is our fourth lesson name? Roots support of the plant. Okay, so before that, once we will recall, okay, parts of a plant and functions of roots. Okay, first parts of plant. What are the parts of plant, children? Flower, leaf, fruit, stem, root. These are main parts of the plant. So what flower will do? Helps in reproduction. And leaf performs photosynthesis. Fruit protects the seed. Stem supports the plant. And root absorb water and minerals. Next, what are the functions of the root? The roots are under the ground. They hold the plant in the soil and absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots help to fix plants firmly in the soil. Root help to store the extra food made by a plant. Extra food means what, children? Like carrot, beetroot, radish, potato, etc. Isn't it? Yes. So in the next page, the root is the supporter of the plant, isn't it? This is the main thing of the root. Root is the supporter of the plant. Then root web conserves soil particles and water. Children, you can observe in the picture. So root will spread like a web, so that root web conserves, it looks like web only, isn't it? Yes. So these root web conserves soil particles and water. Soil particles and water from the soil. So next, roots fix the plants firmly to the soil. First, it will absorb the water and particles, means nutrients and all. It absorbs from the soil and it fix the plants firmly to the soil. Next, roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and supply them to the other parts of the plants. Then how the other parts will get nutrients and water? Through the root only. Roots absorb the water from the soil and even it absorbs nutrients from the soil, and after that it transfer to the other parts of the plant. Okay. Next, name the vegetables given in the above pictures. Do you use them in your house? Why? From which part of the plant do you get them? So here some vegetables pictures are there. We have to write the names. Okay. So first one is radish, carrot, beetroot and sweet potato. So these are the parts of the plant. So we can say because these are the root vegetables. These vegetables will grow under the ground. So these vegetables also called root vegetables. And children, we have already written name and we use these vegetables in our house because we get many health benefits. So these are the good for our health. So we can get many health benefits from these vegetables, so that we will use it in our houses. So we get from root part of the plant. So these type of vegetables we will get from root part of the plant. You can see in the picture, children. Okay. In the next page, write the names of 4 roots that you use. Also write down why you use them. One is done for you. So here 2 columns are there, roots and use. Okay. First one is ashwagandha, medicine. So ashwagandha root, for what purpose we will use? For medicine. And turmeric also, turmeric for what purpose we will use? In cooking and as a medicine. Ginger, this is also a root This is also will grow in the underground. Yes, no? Yes, the ginger also will use it for cooking and medicine. Sweet potato in cooking. Potato also it is a root vegetable and will use it for cooking. And next one is radish. Radish also we will use it in our cooking, children. So next, do you know this? This is for your reference, children. For your knowledge, there is a record that a farmer in Britain grew a carrot as long as 19 feet in the year 2007. So we already know this carrot also it is a root part of the plant. Okay, so it will also grow under the ground. So there is a record. So one farmer in a Britain, he grew a carrot as long as 19 feet, so in the year of 2007. So you can see in the picture, children, that that farmer grew long carrot. So this is the one. Okay, and next, the root of a plant of grass family is 600 kilometer. This is the distance from Bangalore to Kalburgi. So the root of plant of grass family. So one type of grass is there. That grass root it will be it spreaded over up to 600 kilometer. So 600 kilometer means how much? It is the distance of Bangalore to Kalburgi. And there are records that a banyan tree spread more than 5 acres with the help of its prop roots. For example, the big banyan tree in the Bangalore. So this is the big banyan tree in the Bangalore, you can observe in the picture. So some plants, apu plants, grow on trees. The roots of these plants are green and open to air. They absorb the moisture from the air. So what are those? These are the some plants grow on trees. This type of plants they will grow on the trees only. You can see observe in the pictures, and they absorb the moisture from the air. So the roots of some plants which grow in the places of scanty rainfall. Scanty means no rain. Okay, rainfall have the capacity to store water and provide to the plants when they need. Certain tribal peoples use the water from the roots to drink. There is a record of roots which store about 70 kgs of water. So these roots will store the water up to 70 kg. In the scanty rainfall means in the places of scanty means, children, with totally no rains means in the desert place. So these are the roots which can store the water up to 70 kg. You can observe in the picture, children. Okay, yes. So I hope you understood this lesson, children, the root supports of the plant. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write the question in group, children. You can send the questions. So now time for homework, children. So what is your homework? So you should read the lesson properly and do the working pages and draw any 5 root vegetables and color them. Okay, thank you.